Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch spray at home step by step. Do not attempt to create homemade sprays. Making them can be dangerous and illegal. Instead, I will guide you through safe, legal options for protecting sketches, like using commercial art fixatives, clear acrylic spray alternatives, and simple barrier techniques with household items that are non-flammable and non-toxic. I'll explain application tips, ventilation, and disposal so your art stays safe and durable. In this video, I will explain how to make sketch spray at home step by step. Rather than DIY solvent mixes, pick a reputable, non-flammable art fixative labeled archival and non-yellowing. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches from the paper and spray in light, sweeping motions to avoid pooling or bleeding. Allow each coat to dry fully before handling, and always test on a scrap piece to confirm compatibility with your media. In this video, I will explain how to make sketch spray at home step by step. If you're finding these safe alternatives helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your art space smelling fresh and comfy while you work. It's a lighthearted studio essential. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make sketch spray at home step by step. Start by testing on a scrap to ensure your chosen product won't darken or smear pencil or charcoal. Use short bursts while keeping the can moving and maintain consistent distance to achieve even coverage, and apply multiple thin coats rather than one heavy coat. Let your sketch cure for the recommended time before framing or stacking to avoid damage and sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.